Hello friends, welcome to the Ryzen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM UM690 ultra compact desktop PC. So friend, it is powered by Ryzen 9 6900HX processor and it is the high-end model of the UM590 introduced in October 20 press release, and the CPU has been updated from Ryzen 9 5900HX to Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the built-in GPU has also been upgraded to AMD Radeon TM680M and will significantly improve 3D graphics performance over the prior model because it has a USB 4 Type-C port with a speed of 40 Gbps. It can accommodate a high-resolution display of up to 8K at 60 Hz, and the primary specification include DDR5 SODIMM.2 for memory, M.2 2280x1 for storage, 2.5-inch SATA SSD or SSD×1, and dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and friend the HDMI 2.0x2 and USB 4 Type-C×1 are the display outputs, and friend the VESA mounter has a 100x100 pitch, and the complete model with memory and SSD standard equipment is available in addition to barebone kit. And friend, the pre-orders has already begun and shipping will be begun on 25th December. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.